Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting showdown between two titans in the smartphone world, the OnePlus 12R and the OnePlus 11R. If you're in the market for a new flagship device, you're in the right place. So, buckle up and join us as we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge technology and innovation. But before we unravel the epic battle between these two smartphones, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and comparisons. Some text goes here: first impressions matter, right? In Chapter 1, we'll explore the aesthetics, materials used, and overall build quality of these flagship devices. Are you Team 12R or Team 11R in the design department? Moving on to Chapter 2, where we dissect the display technology. The screen is your window to the digital world, and OnePlus is known for its stunning displays. We'll compare the resolution, refresh rates, and color accuracy of the 12R and 11R. Which one offers the immersive visual experience you crave? In Chapter 3, we're diving deep into the engine room, the performance and power of these devices. The OnePlus 12R and 11R both pack a punch, but which one takes the crown in terms of raw processing power, multitasking capabilities, and gaming performance? Stick around to find out. Now, let's shift our focus to one of the most critical aspects, the camera. Chapter 4 is all about the photography and videography capabilities of the OnePlus 12R and 11R. We'll explore the camera setups, features, and real-world performance. Are you ready to capture the perfect shot with your next smartphone? Software can make or break a user experience. In Chapter 5, we're delving into the software realms of Oxygen OS on the OnePlus 12R and 11R. From the user interface to the latest features, we'll uncover which device provides a smoother, more intuitive software experience. Which Oxygen OS version wins your vote? And there you have it, the ultimate face-off between the OnePlus 12R and the OnePlus 11R. But, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this comparison, and drop a comment below letting us know which device you think deserves the title of the ultimate flagship killer. Also, make sure to subscribe for more tech insights and comparisons. Until next time, Tech Fam, stay curious.